Lindsay, Christmas and New Year's are almost here, which means spending time with loved ones, relaxing, and some travel. But we are seeing warnings about this latest COVID variant and how quickly it spreads. Doctors say right now we're experiencing the worst COVID surge the state has ever seen. So our Lauren Kostick is breaking down the numbers as hospitals struggle to offer care to Hoosiers in need.
It seems like every day hospitals are faced with more patients than ever before. Frontline workers begging for help.
We have been able to scale up ICU beds and ventilators, but we have not been able to scale up people.
And on Friday, the numbers got even worse. Across IU Health, 518 COVID patients are being treated, an all-time high for the healthcare system. And a deeper look shows of the 449 patients in the ICU, 339 of them are COVID related. That means hospitals are being forced to postpone surgeries or refuse patients simply because there are not enough beds or staff.
Call me if you need anything.
And statewide, the numbers aren't any better. As of Thursday, only 12.5% of ICU beds were available, the least amount of capacity at any point in the pandemic. Doctors say between the Delta variant and people putting off surgeries and other procedures, it's created an explosion of patients.
This is the worst surge we've had, and I hope that's the last time I'm ever going to have to say that again.
But with the threat of the highly contagious Omicron variant, Dr. Romioletti is holding his breath, scared of what's to come. Currently, no cases have been confirmed in Indiana, but almost all of the surrounding states have at least one.
And it's just going to be a matter of a couple of weeks before Omicron takes over Indiana.
And when it does, doctors say it will spread fast.
They're suggesting it'll be almost as contagious as chickenpox. If that's the case, we're in trouble. And so, and my problem is we can't create any more beds. We can't create any more nurses.
That's why health leaders are desperately pleading for Hoosiers to listen and get vaccinated, unsure of what's to come and what this new variant will do. And we have also reached out to the State Department of Health for comment about this recent surge and have yet to hear back.
Thank you, Lauren. And all of this coming as the Colts prepare for a big night tonight. They are taking on the Patriots at Lucas Oil, and thousands of fans will attend the sold-out game. COVID outbreaks actually forced the NFL to move 3 games, but the Colts game against the Patriots is not among those. If we beat New England at Lucas Oil tonight, we move to the 5th seed in the playoffs. It'd be the first time we've beat the team in more than a decade. Now, if you are among the 60,000 plus people heading to Lucas Oil tonight, here's what you'll want to know. Masks are still encouraged, but there are no health screenings at the gate. Hand sanitizer stations are set up throughout the stadium. Ticketing is also 100% mobile, so have your phones ready. And all concessions are cashless, so bring your credit card along.